Egg and green tea hair mask. Ingredients: green tea water 1 cup, egg 1, honey 1 teaspoon, any oil 1 teaspoon, amla, coconut, mustard, almond oil, etc. How to make green tea water. Put 1½ cups of water in a pot and add 1 tablespoon of green tea leaves and cook until the water is reduced to 1 cup. And use when cool. Take an egg and beat it well. Take a small ½ cup of green tea. Add a teaspoon of honey. Add a teaspoon of any oil. I am using amla oil here. Now mix all the ingredients well. There are 2 ways to use this mask. Method number 1. Dip the cotton in the mask and apply it well from the scalp to the ends of the hair. Method number 2. Put the mask in a nozzle bottle and apply it thoroughly from your scalp to the ends of your hair. Apply and leave for an hour. Use a shower cap for best results. Green tea shampoo. Ingredients: green tea water ½ cup, any shampoo 2 tablespoons. Take half a cup of green tea. Add 2 tablespoons of any shampoo. Mix it well until it becomes frothy and use it. Benefits of green tea for hair. When it comes to natural ingredients, look no further than green tea for hair. It also contains vitamin E, which makes hair soft, shiny and smooth. It even acts like a great exfoliator and detoxes your hair from the harmful external aggressors that might damage it.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, keep watching Beauty Tips by Amna. Bye bye.
رجوتك عفوا ولا لي سواك ودمع يسيل على مصحف به يصل الله صوف من أتى فتلك سجايا لقلب سليم إلى الله دوما تدور رحى